Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and today we're taking a look at power banks that are going to suit a variety of use cases in your home. Not only will they power your smartphones, they'll take care of your laptops and your tablets too. Let's go ahead and check them out. Now, the first thing we're going to take a look at are all the specs. You can see why you'd want to pick one of these up. We're looking at the JuiceBox Pro, which is a 20,100 milliamp hour battery backup solution with 60 watts PD USB Type-C. So what does that mean? All that technical stuff. Now, not only is it giving you powerful options to power a lot of devices, but it also, as you can see here, supports wireless charging. So this is going to be something that's going to be great for all these devices that have wireless charging capabilities. So if you think about it, the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live, also a lot of the earbuds that are currently available, including the AirPods Pro, all of them have wireless charging. So you're going to be able to use this to wireless charge those as well. So again, a lot of options that you can see here from a battery perspective. All the capacity specs are right here, and it's going to give you a lot of options when it comes to chargeability. So the things that you can charge go anywhere from earbuds that are wireless charging to a phone, all the way up to a tablet or a laptop. Now, the next battery that we're also looking at is 26,800 milliamp hours USB-C with PD charging capabilities. And as we take a look at, you see you have a variety of options here. You do have the ability to use this, again, as an LED light, which is going to be really great, especially even if you're not camping. If you do have a power outage in your home and you want to be able to have a light, this is going to be a handy solution for that. But in addition to that, and we'll zoom in right here, you can see 60 watt USB-C power delivery output. So that one is even more powerful. So if you think about your laptop, if you think about your MacBook, if you think about any device that can take a PD USB charge, then this is going to be able to support it. You also then have this large capacity supporting wireless charging. It also is designed to survive, I would say the elements, as you can see that based on what you have right here. And then your light has multiple modes that are going to give you like SOS as well as some max brightness options. For those of you who are interested in some of the I would say specs here, you can see all the specs here detailed nicely, and then everything that's included in the package. So let's go ahead and take a close look at each one of these battery backups. Now, each of these have a different design and have a different purpose, but they share a lot of the same features. So what we'll do is we'll look at this one first. So you notice that this one has an LED on the side and has a little power switch here. As we flip it over, you notice that it has like a little SOS button right here. On this side, you have the power for your Qi wireless charging. And then you have a little hook area that's going to be great if you want to put this, let's say, like on a tent or a lanyard, anywhere you want to hook it up to store it. In the inside here, you have also USB-C as well as USB-A charging options for those of you who want to use that. And then on this side, we also then have a different, I would say implementation. You have, in this case, in the front, your USB-A and USB-C, and nothing else on the sides except you have your little power button here. Now, once you power up the battery, what you're going to do is get the battery percentage, how much battery is in the device. So, nice little LED. This one's going to show you the power fuel gauge is by LED lights. So this is, each one of these represents a quarter. This one's going to give you an LED display telling you exactly how much power you have. Now, the very first feature we're going to test is the wireless charging. So we've turned on the battery, and I'm just going to place it right here for a second and see if it lights up. And what we'll do is we'll move this so that we can get this on camera. We'll flip this up so you can see. It's wireless charging simply by just placing it right on top of the battery, so that's pretty cool. Now we'll test our second battery to see if wireless charging is going to work. You'll notice that the LEDs are on. I'm going to go ahead and place it right on. You'll notice that the little LED here is enabled, and as we flip this up so you can see, it's also wireless charging. So next we're going to test the wireless charging. So I'm going to go ahead and put my S20 Ultra here and see how it does. And you see wireless charging. You'll notice that it doesn't say fast wireless charging, but it's going to be wireless charge at the standard rate. Now next we'll test the second wireless charge to see how that works with this phone. So we're going to go ahead and put the phone on the battery itself, and we'll find the sweet spot. Sometimes you have to move it around a little bit. There you go. It's wireless charging. We'll swipe down, and there you go. It's wireless charging. Again, not fast wireless charging, but still wireless charging. Now, for those of you curious about the charging rate or how it charges via cable, check this out. So here I have my S20 Ultra. It's connected here on the side, and you can see what the charge rate is currently. And one of the things about charging, or the charge rate, is that the phone is what determines how much power it's pulling from the actual battery. So you're going to see that it's going to go up and down. It's going to change. That is really not the battery or the cable. That's the phone determining how much power it needs. Now we're doing the exact same test now on the second battery, and you can see the charging rate here continues to vary depending on what the phone needs. but again, it's charging, and if we check the actual, we swipe it down, you'll notice that it's fast charging too. So both of these are going to support the Samsung fast charging capability. Now the very last test is charging our Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. You'll notice that the charging rate dropped because, again, the case itself is not going to be as demanding as the phone does, and you can see that the rate is at a much lower rate, but that's all dependent on the case itself. Now, for those of you who are curious about how bright the light is, we're going to go ahead and turn this on. So watch your eyes. We're going to go ahead and turn it on. That's bright, right? We're going to go ahead and do this, go through the modes. That's the second brightness. That's the SOS brightness. And that's the solid. You press and hold, and it's gone. Lots of power here. Not only will it charge all your smart devices, but it will take care of your laptops too. See you in the next one.